3 days 就係3日啦 ，outside 就外面啦。咁if you just out of the house 咧，you can just say 屋外就得啦，即係可以 skip 咗個面啦，屋外面或者屋外咁啊。我哋有3日咧唔可以出去屋外面啦，或者走出去屋外啦，係咯，或者你可以話唔可以離開屋企，我哋有3日咧唔可以離開屋企啊，或者甚至話唔可以打開道門啊，唔可以走出門外邊啊，即係屋外門外外面都得啊。因為你外面梗係 out of the house 啦，係咪？所以就你總話外面都得嘅。我哋有3日咧唔可以出，或者怎話出去 ，because whenever you leave the house it is already suffocating， 或者我哋有3日咧唔可以出去。咁我 already understood 啦，你係唔可以 leave your house， 唔可以出去嘅。But if for example in the COVID-19 you cannot leave your own country or own city to other countries， 咁when you say 唔可以出去咧，咁it means that you cannot leave your country or your city，OK？But if you are confined in your house， then 唔可以出去咧，就 that means you cannot leave your house 啊。So the same term 出去咧可以 means different boundary. It depends on the situation you are in. Of course, if you are not confined in your house, of course, if outside is okay, only that there is COVID-19, so no one will accept you to enter the country. So 你cannot 出外嘅意思咧，就唔可以去其他國家咯。所以即係 depends on 你嗰陣時個 situation 嘅意思嘅。所以我哋講嘢就真係要問嘅。哇！我舊年啊真係好慘啊，好長時間都唔可以出去啊。咁你就問啊，點解唔可以出去啊？咁啊，因為咧就係附近有個山林大火，咁樣咧成幾個月都有濃煙，咁你唔可以出去，私人唔可以出去間屋外邊啊，就 understood 啦。原來係因為 COVID-19 啦，我哋呢度好多病人啊，所以冇國家肯俾我哋入境啊，所以我哋咪唔可以出去玩咯，唔可以出去其他地方咯。咁你原來你嘅唔可以出去咧，就係出埠abroad 就咁樣，咁係就咁樣啦嚇。I think in English you will from the very beginning you will express more clearly. You won't just say that I cannot go out. You will say that because of there is a smoke from the fire, then we cannot leave our house. So we have to keep inside to be inside our house for 3 days. You will explain it clearly, but we seldom. Maybe we are too, how to say it, because we are too worried that if we talk too much, people may not be interested. But maybe the English speaking people, they are so patient to listen to until the people finished. Yeah, because I think the the English speaking people, they seldom jump in the conversation, but the Chinese people always jump in. So you cannot be so long. You better just a few words, and then let people快啲啊！people will come into your conversation directly, anytime. Or even stop you. So you just and then you know the way we say we want to create the atmosphere. We are not trying to in English speaking. You always say, excuse me. What I want to say is to be exactly. You see, it's such a long time before you are really to the point. But for Chinese, 我有嘢講。You must because you must get the attention and get the right for speaking first. 我有嘢講。So let people keep silent and then listen to, or maybe 我有嘢講 and then let people also say, 我講先 ，OK, then you already lost the chance. So when you say 有嘢講你好快啲講，我有嘢講，因為咧我咧就點咁已經要講嘢啦喎，咁但係咧就唔可以即係快啲 to the point 啦，如果唔係啲人就 stop 你㗎啦，冇咁多耐性聽你講嘅。呢個即係唔同 culture 就已經。究竟係 culture 影響咗你 language， 定係 language 影響咗 culture 咧？係啊，尤其是香港人啊， 係啊，尤其是香港人啊，因為分分鐘都係錢嚟噶嘛，人哋真係冇心機聽你講嘢嘅，真係嘅，就算朋友都係咁嘅。你想話講下，好似嗰次啲英語人士咁啊，嗱咧，我咧就有個諗法嘅，咁咧呢個諗法咧，唔知講出嚟咧，大家會覺得點？即係哇，啲廢話嚟㗎，快啲講啦！你想講咩咁真係會講到你咁啊！唔好咁多廢話啦，快啲講嘢啦！你咁講直接講你嘅 idea 咧，真係咁啊！有時如果你係 business 咧，你 sell 橋咧，我諗你English speaking 同埋 Cantonese speaking 嘅人咧，特別喺香港生活啊，即係去到外地生活又唔同咗。喺香港生活嘅話，咁就算係business 咧，都係要你好快好直接。如果唔係咧，人即係已經冇心機聽你講嘢啦。即係你唔可以話 I'm so honoured to be here. Let me 即係 introduce my idea. My idea is maybe the Cantonese 就話哇，我一條正橋。You say we say like this 邊個？哇，我一條好橋啊！Then you already catch attention. When you see that you catch attention, then you continue. 哇，呢條好橋啊！好到你唔信嘅，你 you are still not to the point, but because you already catch it， 哇呢度好到你唔信嘅，咁 people are listening how good it is，就係咧唔使錢喎賺大錢，哇點解唔使錢賺大錢啊？哇咁啊更加 catch attention 啦，所以意思 you can say that it is 好浮誇可能，或者好誇張，或者好唔老實啊，但係你就要首先 catch 咗 attention 先，或者嗰啲 English speaking 咧就係你可以話個文化咧就係咁樣，即係大家有心機聽你講嘢，同埋咧佢哋又唔中意咁直接嘅係咪啊？咁但係我哋就唔係啊，即係一來就慳時間啦，二來就你要吸引注意啦，三來你要搶個先機啊！你唔好俾人插入嚟㗎，係嘛？即係如果你講下有人插嚟咧，你都 stop 嘅，咪住，嗱我未講完啊！咁即係要咁樣㗎喎。You can only say this and most you can say that. Oh no, stop! Let me say. Oh no. Okay. No. You must say excuse me. May I say a few words first? So that's why especially I think Hong Kong is still better because we're international city. So the thing I just now is only in some situation that you really have to fight, right? But of course normally we are international city, then we follow the international way, and maybe we will not so patient as the Western, so we still won't say that excuse me, I also have something to present, or may I have the chance. Of course we don't say this, but we will also be better that我可唔可以講兩句咧？我會 like this 啊！我可唔可以講一句先啊？或者話我可唔可以講少少咁樣？會咁樣嘅可以嘅嚇，或者話我唔係好認同你嘅意見，即係我哋可以directly 可以好 strict 就話唔好意思我一陣間會俾時間你講或者唔好意思而家咧輪到第二個人講，即係或者話嗱而家咧即係你可以直接入就係譬如你覺得佢講咗地方悶啊，你想插入嚟係啊，嗱你正話講到乜嘢咧？我就要講呢樣嘢啦，即係你要插位插得好，即係香港人就其實咧就係佢會插位，但佢又未至於插到咧，好似有啲人咁咧就即係太倔啊、太直啦，就冇禮貌啊，即係你知道講邊啲人嘅啦，即係好冇禮貌、好 rude 啊，即係總之唔理人哋啊，總之想講就講啊，想打尖就打尖啊，想霸嘢就霸嘢啊，即係嗰啲啦，你明㗎啦。咁但係咧我哋都會即係 in the middle 啦，即係我哋又唔會好似你哋咁啊，咁慢條斯理啊，慢慢講啊，咁但係我哋都知道係要令人哋舒服，係即係唔好好似表現得好 rude，但係咧我哋就會，所以咧你可以話香港好醒目咧，就係我哋會睇啱啲位咧，係啦冇錯啦，就係你講嘅呢條橋啦，我就有一個橋咧就係咁啦，你就咪已經插咗入嚟，同埋你咪已經又再攞咗個 attention 啦，即係你又係個好叻咁，你唔會好 rude，但係咧你又可以咧即係三言兩語咧，你可以捉翻個 attention 就扭轉咗 attention 啦。呢個就真係我諗真係唔知其他地方啦，香港人真係幾叻呢樣嘢係啊，同埋我哋幾重視呢樣嘢，即係話你又唔會即係我哋又覺得嘥時間，如果聽你發噏風，聽你講埋啲冇料到嘅嘢，我哋又唔想咁樣嘥我哋啲時間，但係咧我哋又唔想表現到真係好 rude 咁，好冇禮貌咁執個搶字，所以咧我哋就要搶得好有。即係我哋叫攝位啊，攝位攝得好好，或者攝位啦，即係好似人哋排隊啦，要 are lining a queue， maybe there is some space between two people. If there is no space and then you want to jump into queue 咧 it sounds very rude, right? But if there are some space between the two, and then if they don't mind 咁你就啱好and then of course I'm so thin 咧 just 就可以攝到入去啦。咁所以我哋講嘢都係㗎，要攝到位，做乜嘢咧？我都睇位睇準個位咧，幾時可以插入去，幾時可以攝入去。咁呢個就真係喺我哋咁趕嘅生活啦，因為香港實在出晒名又趕啦，每分鐘都係錢啦，咁你又要顧全即係西方人嗰種嘅比較禮貌啦，但係又要有東方人嗰種嘅快啦急啦，係咪先？咁都真係幾難㗎，我都覺得我哋好多香港人都做得好好嘅呢方面，好即係個智慧就反映喺呢度啦，係啊，或者因為外或者外面咧都係一個 location 嘅，即係 mean outside。屋咧就只係一個 object，OK？咁所以你唔可以出去屋嘅喎，出去屋嘅邊度咧？出去屋外邊，或者咧你可以入屋出屋，即係就已經明白就係話入定唔係出啦，即係入屋同出屋咧，即係話你get into the house 或者要 leave， 要 get out of the house。咁所以你個屋本身係一個物件冇問題啊，一棟 building 啊，你 inside the building 或者 out leave the building 啊嘛。但係你出去咧，即係其實咧你係walk out you are pointing to a direction 嘅，所以你唔可以就咁出去屋嘅。你就咁出去得，即係你唔講係咩 location， 我咁話出去。咁你出去梗係 leave your house 啦，係咪？咁出去邊度啊？我冇講。但係如果你提到屋咧，你就要講屋嘅外邊啦。我出去屋外邊或者就屋外已經係 out of the house 啊 ，outside of the house 啊 ，OK？ 係啦。或者冇咗面都得，因為外面同外咧係一樣嘅。咁你屋外就已經 OK 啦，係啦，唔可以出屋外面，唔可以出去屋外，係啦，因為外面同外，因為外面其實外即係外面，只不過你 skip 嘅面啫嘛，因為你屋外啊嘛，咁就唔使屋外面啦，因為好多時我哋如果兩個可以 connect 埋成為兩個字咧，我哋其實多數都可以 skip 咗嗰個字嘅，即係譬如4個字可以將佢 skip 做2個字，咁如果係3個字嘅1加2嘅，咁我哋可以將個2嘅尾咧 skip 咗。如果係得嘅話，即係唔係話任何情況都得，咁但係屋外邊同屋外係一樣嘅，係可以嘅，即係唔使話一定係屋外邊，總之出去屋外咁出去屋外面，因為個外已經係代表咗外面啦只不過你將佢同個屋 connect 埋一齊咧，咁你就可以省略咗最尾嗰個。你唔去屋都得嘅喎，你話出去外面，咁外面 of course 係 outside of the house 啊，係咪？咁所以咪出去外面咯。你 skip 個屋都得㗎，即係總之個意思係清楚，係明白嗰個句子嘅唔同部分係清楚嘅。咁其實係好多嘢都可以 skip 㗎。你見到我哋係咪？The English 你唔得we cannot go out of the house，OK？咁我哋就咁話出去又得，出去外面又得，出去屋外邊都得。